We've got a great chance of seeing strong winds close to the surface and a very good chance of getting rain and snow. I'm Ed McIntosh in the Q2 Weather Center. You can see that atmospheric river from Honolulu up to Billings is just a stream of moisture being pushed by those high upper level winds. The blue arrows indicating where we could have 150, 160 mile per hour upper level winds pushing right across the region. And it will feed in quite a bit of moisture across the area as well. Here we are by Thursday, and I'm going to zoom down. You can see those strong winds. For the most part, the stream seems to be moving just to the north of Billings. Now, we can still see some very strong winds down the east mountain slopes, but that could carry a lot of the moisture to the north of us and also mix down quite a bit of winds north of Billings and across the eastern plains as well. That will only take a shift of 100 miles here or there to put that upper level wind right across our region, and that will make a huge difference in how windy, how wet, and how warm or cold it's going to be by the end of the week and heading into the weekend. Check back for updates.